Shivaya. I am here to deliver a short speech on World Science Day. World Science Day is also known as World Science Day for Peace and Development. It is an international day to highlight the importance of the role science has to play in our society. It is celebrated on 10th November every year. It is also celebrated to highlight the need to engage wider debates on major scientific issues. This day was declared by the UNESCO in the year 2001. By linking science with societies, World Science Day aims to ensure that citizens are kept informed about the development in science. The objectives of this day are to strengthen public awareness about the role of science in our societies, to promote national and international solidarity, to renew national and international commitment for the use of science for the benefit of the world, and to draw attention towards major scientific issues. During this day, communities and individuals across the world conduct many events and activities. This day is also celebrated to initiate major schemes and projects and funding for science. Thank you.
I am Adria from 10
and I am Vigyan from 6.
Today, as a part of World Science Day,
we are doing an interesting experiment.
For that,
we need baking soda, 1 glass of vinegar, candle, matchbox and a spoon.
take a glass of vinegar and now add some baking soda to it. Now we can light the candle and place it above the glass. We can see that the flame of the candle extinguishes. It is because of the emission of carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide acts as a fire extinguisher.
Hope you all enjoyed our experiment. Thank you.
Om Shivaya. Today I am going to present an experiment on how turmeric can be used as an acid-base indicator. Indicators can be used to test if a substance is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Here we use turmeric as an acid-base indicator. Besides this, we need lemon juice which is acidic in nature and soap solution which is basic in nature. Add turmeric solution to each bowl. Here we can see no change in the case of lemon juice, while we can see the color changes to reddish brown in case of soap solution. This shows that lemon juice is acidic in nature and soap solution is basic in nature. Thank you.
Now we are going to see an experiment based on law of inertia. The law of inertia was found by Isaac Newton. The law states that every body continues to be in a state of rest unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Now let us see the experiment. I have taken a glass, a cardboard and the coin. Now when I place the cardboard over the glass and I place the coin over this cardboard. So now when I strike the cardboard, the coin will fall inside. Now let us see. So now the coin has fallen inside. The glass was staying down and the cardboard was on the top. The coin was on the top in its state of rest. So now when I strike the cardboard, the coin, due to its inertia of rest, falls inside the glass. Hence, now we have proved the law of inertia.
Hi, I am Madhu from Vigyan. Today we are going to do hibiscus test. The materials required are a piece of paper, hibiscus flower, vinegar and lemon. Now take the hibiscus flower and rub it over the paper. Now take the lemon and rub it on the paper. And pour some vinegar also on the paper. the paper acts like litmus and it turns red. This shows the acidic nature of lemon and vinegar. Like this, we can prove the acidic nature of different materials. Thank you.
I'm Shivaya. I'm Hazadi Nair of class 10A. I'm going to perform an experiment which shows acidic and basic nature of substances. To perform this experiment, I have vinegar, whose chemical name is acetic acid. As the name indicates, it is acidic in nature. Also, I have a salt solution here which is basic in nature. As an acid-base indicator, I have some turmeric here. And turmeric will turn into red color when added to a basic substance, and no change will occur to its color when added to an acidic substance. To prove this, I am going to add some turmeric to vinegar. As you can see, no change occurred to its color as the substance is acidic in nature. The soap solution turned into red color as it is basic in nature. This experiment shows that vinegar is acidic in nature and soap solution is basic in nature. Thank you.
I am studying in 6th grade school, Vigyan. I am going to show you an experiment of model of volcano. Volcano means a volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object such as Earth that allows hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape from magma chamber below the surface. Let's start. This one. Food color. Soda. Lastly, I have a vinegar. Now it's coming. This is the model of volcano. Thank you for watching.
Om Namah Shivaya. I am Dashanti Nair of class 6. I am here to show you the experiment of separation of magnetic objects from non-magnetic objects. Here I have some soil mixed with some magnetic objects and non-magnetic objects such as paper, iron nails, etc. Here I have a magnet. Here you can see that the non-magnetic objects attracted to the magnet. This shows that the magnet will attract to the magnetic objects attract to the magnet. Thank you, Namah Shivaya.
I am Devika B of Standard 7C. Today I am here to say a few words about World Science Day. World Science Day for Peace and Development is an international day that highlights the important role that science has in society, and it is celebrated each year on November 10th. The World Science Day was proclaimed by the UNESCO in 2001 and celebrated for the first time in 2002. The objectives of World Science Day are to strengthen public awareness on the role of science for peaceful and sustainable society, to renew international and national commitment for the use of science for the benefit of society, to draw attention to the challenges faced by science and raising support for the scientific endeavor. Thus, I am concluding my short speech. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.